Howdy.
What are we doing?
I don't know what you're doing, but fill up my water bottle. Oh fuck, shit. I'm filling up my water bottle and I think I'm gonna go for a little swimming pool. I had some food about 30 minutes ago. To be honest, like, you know, you're not supposed to swim afterwards, but I'm a little bit of a rebel. Before you do anything with cars, you're supposed to go swimming. Hellstar.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch and she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego.
Okay, so you know the good news or the bad news? Bad news, already dropped the car off without you and picked it up. Good news, the exhaust is done and I appreciate you. So, you want to do some artsy shit, but we didn't do that. Corona, 6 feet apart, like you get it.
Okay, okay, let's just go look then.
Okay. Oh my god. Fucking neighbors. I think God, having it on film is so nice.
Shut up.
Legit though, so I think our secret mission has been accomplished. Ready? The button's stuck, hold on, alright.
So something wrong?
Okay, so between this video and like when we dropped it off and I picked it up, it sounded really good. The power steering may have gone out on the car, but like it's good because you guys know those post-quarantine, or I guess we're still in quarantine vibes, like been eating a lot of bad food, so it's like a workout at this point. The car's better without power steering. Fact. Here's the thing, you have to earn your seat in the car until we feel that you're ready for your own seat. It's not like you can just walk in here and just get your own seat. It's just not how it works. What's up, Karens? Oh, hey! Hi, sissy. Hi, Missy. Those are my neighbors. We're like that. We hit it off. We've been doing Skinny Marg Wednesdays with books. Once a week on Wednesdays. All right, you guys ready to hear this? You guys ready to hear this car? You guys ready to hear this? So here's this little nifty remote that. Okay, fuck. Safety first, dude. Safety first. My fiance is gonna be so mad at me when she sees I was wearing that. All right, here we go. Here we go. We just gotta get the car out first of all. Legit though. Listen to this. Ready?
You burn?
You burning?
Oh my god. I just got yeeted. Oh.
Garrison, why isn't your seatbelt on?
I don't have a fucking seat.
Garrison, get the. It sounds good. We know they know it.
I just got absolutely bodied.
Garrison, you have to wear your seatbelt. This is why it's a safety first on this channel.
I'm calling my mom. Let me out. Go for it.
It's just a little something we cooked up. Nothing.
Oh my
That's
god.
not, man. That's no joke. Look at the ducks. What's up, guys? What's up, squad? What up, squad? Nah, dude, sometimes they're just shy. Like, it's not really. It's not like a big deal or anything. That wraps up the install, guys. I have had like 6 different setups on M3s throughout the years, and I've heard pretty much every single setup that there is out there. This is by far the best sounding one I've ever heard, and the car feels faster. We're gonna do draggy times, and we're gonna do everything before we do the supercharger, which is coming on the M3 build. We'll have more info on that, like actual numbers, but overall, it sounds amazing. If you guys are interested in a similar exhaust setup, I'll link Gintani down below. And if you're in the Dallas area and you're looking for someone to work on your M3, I'll link Emporium down below. They do like the best work on the S65 ever. Like they're insane. We are doing this new style of video, having more fun doing them, trying to do more unique stuff. So if you guys are enjoying that, please subscribe to the channel and let us know down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Ass in every video. That's how you should end it. Subscribe.